One of my favorite questions that I like to ask myself is it within my control? What are the factors that are within my control? Is it something that's knowable? So I find this to be very useful to ask because it helps me decide whether or not I should even be worrying or thinking about this. It's a very useful principle that I've taken from Stoicism. So to give you an example, let's say that I'm worrying about whether or not, someone is going to go out with me. That is not directly within my control, how that person feels about me. What is directly within my control is, how I behave, what I write in my messages, how I dress, all those things, right? Another example would be, let's say that I want 1 million subscribers for my YouTube channel. That is not directly within my control. I can't control whether or not people will decide to subscribe to my channel. What I can control is the amount of care, effort, research that I put into creating the videos and how many videos that I create. Another example might be, let's say, the stock market. So I can't control whether I make X% over a period of time in the stock market. What I can control is whether or not I think I've paid a fair value or even gotten more value than I think that I've paid for in the stock market. So if I start worrying about something, then this is one of the first questions that I'm going to ask myself is, okay, is this even something that's controllable by me? And if there is something here that's controllable, what are those factors? And then let's focus on those actual factors that are within my control. And I feel like that really helps me see the situation much clearer.